Inserting text into a title block using AutoCAD 2013 educational version. In this tutorial, we are simply going to add the words name, chain links, and date into this title block below. So the command we're going to use is text. So we simply type in text. Okay. From there, we need to find a start point. Well, you're going to notice that it's going to jump around a lot because we have our snap on right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my text here right now. And then I need to put it to the correct size. So in this case it is 0.2. And then to specify the rotation angle, we're going to keep it at 0 because we don't want it on an angle. And now it's going to say, enter my text. And I'm just going to put in the words name. So I've capitalized it, put in name, and I'm going to hit enter twice to cancel out. I'll hit the space bar to start over again, and once again specify the start point. I'm just going to start there. The text height is set, hit enter. The rotation angle is set, hit enter. And I'm going to put in the title, which is called chain links. Okay, hit enter twice to exit out of the command. Finally, spacebar to bring back again the last command. And here I'm going to specify the height is 2, the rotation is still 2, and this is going to be date. Obviously, with name and date, you would put your own name and date in there, okay, on the current date. So now I need to move the name into position. You can see it's going to jump all over the place because the snap is in place. We don't want to turn the snap off because then we couldn't line things up. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the snap. So I'm going to type in snap, okay, and instead of 0.25 snap that we originally set up, we're going to change it to 0.05. And therefore, what we can do now is have a finer detailed movement of your name. So now I can center it. I've just moved it over to there, and now I've centered, and I click, and you can see as I highlight this little box here, I can actually move things to where I want them to be. So there's the chain link center, or the chain link centered, and finally date is centered there. Okay. Hit the escape command, and now I have everything centered. Z for zoom, A for all. And there is my completed drawing that looks like the original that we were going to create. So this concludes this tutorial.